Hey, Tim from Budget Bronco. Today's the day Bronco gets new 33-inch tires. Let's go. Before we go to the tire shop where I'll show you my tires being installed, let me first walk you through the options that you have when selecting tires for the Base Bronco. So the Base Bronco comes on 255/70 R16 tires. That's this tire pictured here, number one, a 30.1-inch tire. The first option that you have is these 255/85/16 tires. That gets you to the desired 33-inch diameter, but it keeps you at the same stock width of only 10 inches. Some people call this the pizza cutter style tire. Really good in the snow, good for off-roading, but I just didn't like the look of that same skinnier 10-inch tire. So I went with the second primary option, which is the 285/75/16 tire. That still has a 33-inch, slightly less than 30-inch, 33-inch, 32.8 specifically diameter, but you get the 11.2-inch width, which is a little bit more aggressive. It is going to be both good for on and off-road use, and frankly looks a little bit better as well. So this is in fact the option that I chose. The other nice thing about this second option, the 285/75/16, is you're going to have a lot more options available. The option specifically that I chose that you'll see in the installation video next is the General Grabber ATX. All right, we're here at the tire place, and highly recommend A&M Family Tires if you're here in the Pittsburgh area. There she is. 33-inch tires installed on the stock base rims. I know y'all want to see what the clearance looks like when the wheel's fully articulated, so got her up on a jack. You can see at full stop there, lots of clearance between the crash bars. Now I'll turn the wheel. That's full right. Lots of room in the crash bar. Lots of room with the swing arm. Go full left. Still lots of room at the crash bar. Lots of room at the swing arm. No problems. All good. Okay, as an additional test of the tires, we're going to do a test at something close to full compression. So I've got my helper Andy here today. We've got it up on a retaining wall, and we're going to test all the way left, all the way right while we're compressed. All right, Andy, go all the way left. All the way left. Still got clearance. And clearance on the crash bar. Let's go all the way right. Clearance on the crash bar. And I can't really get in there. Hopefully you can see clearance all around there as well. So successful test. 33-inch tires, stock rims, do fit, no rubbing at compression, full extension, or general ride. Some final thoughts for the video today. So I'm super happy with these General Grabber tires. You have to know going into this though that it's going to be, if you go with these tires, it's going to be a little bit more noisy, maybe like 10% more noisy, little bit less crisp handling, a little bit less peppy when you step on the gas, and I'm sure my gas mileage is going to go down at least a little bit, but man, just based on looks and that extra 1.5 inches of ground clearance, super happy with this move and really excited about it. So that's it for this video. Next video, we're going to be doing some painting. So if you like so far, please subscribe, hit the like, and see you next time.